Hello everyone, it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my 50 Shades of Green project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece. For my last update I was up to 34 finished items. I was able to finish 2 more items, and the ones that I was able to finish is this setting spray from Wet n Wild. This is in a cucumber scent. And the other thing I was able to finish was this shampoo from Suave. And let me show you the rest of the items that I'm still currently working on. So I have the conditioner that matches that Suave shampoo. I can't really tell where it is, but if I had to guess, I would say it's probably around here somewhere. So still some to go there. I'm almost done with this face wash. This is very low. I would say it's probably somewhere down towards the bottom. Can't really see through the packaging, but it's almost done. Next I have this makeup remover. I forgot to mark where it was last time, but I am down to here now. Getting there. I do use it not every day, but a lot of the times. One thing I've been working really hard on is this body oil. I've been really trying to focus on this to get it done. So I think my last update I was about up to here, and now I'm down to here. So I have been remembering to use it. I've been consistently using it every single day. So hopefully I can get this finished. I forgot to mark this as well. I've been really bad at marking things this year. Anyway, so this is the Vanilla Bean Noel Body Wash from Bath & Body Works. And I'm down to here. Getting there. One thing that I kind of forget to use is this hand cream from O'Keeffe's. I really like this hand cream. This is a good hand cream. And I try to remember to use it before I go to bed, but sometimes I forget. So I feel like the progress is not much. It's still pretty much where it was. I really need to get better at using that. Next is this e.l.f. setting spray. So it was brand new when I brought it in last month, and now I am down to here. This sprayer on this is very fine. Like, I would even say maybe too fine. Like when I spray it, I feel like I'm not even spraying anything on my face. But whatever. I'm almost done with this face primer. Actually today, when I went to use it, it got to the air bubble and it started like spurting. So I was here last update, and if you hold it up to the light, it's here, but I think it's mostly just stuck to the sides. So I feel like there's maybe only 1 or 2 more uses left in that. I've almost finished this hair oil, so I'm all the way down to the bottom. I feel like I probably could have had it done for this update, but I forgot to use it a couple of times. Oh well. I have this cuticle remover from Sally Hansen. There's starting to be windowing at the bottom, so I think most of it's just stuck to the sides. So that's almost done. And the last few things I haven't really been using. So I have this Witch Hazel from Humphreys. I didn't even touch it yet because I still have a lot of toners and stuff that I'm trying to get through first. And then I have these 2 lotion samples from Mitchel. I didn't use these because I'm really focusing on the oil. I really want to get the oil done. And the last thing is this nail polish from OPI. I used it 1 time in the last update, or since the last update, and this is what it's looking like. So I think you can see that it's kind of like in the middle of the letters OPI. I really feel like this is probably not going to get done by the finale, but I'm going to try. Alright, so that's everything. So since I finished 2 items, that brings me up to 36 finished items. in this project so far. And I am feeling pretty optimistic about everything except for the nail polish. Alright, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.